Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 18 how to send a direct message to somebody on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application itself, and then click on Instagram and then go to your profile. Go to your DMs to see who you would like to send the message to. For this tutorial, I will be searching for my other account, and then after I click, and then send the message, hello. Now if we go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called Grids, and then refresh the page. Now we can see the message that I sent from computer science videos to my other account. Go back to your profile. Go back to the iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.